The customer brought their vehicle in with the complaint that the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool, I retrieved the code P0128, Coolant Thermostat, coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. This code indicates that the engine isn't reaching its proper operating temperature because the thermostat isn't regulating the coolant temperature correctly. To begin diagnosing the issue, I inspected the engine coolant level and its condition, and I found no obvious faults. The next step was to check the engine's coolant temperature, so I ran the engine and used an infrared thermometer to measure the temperature at the engine coolant thermostat housing inlet and outlet. The temperatures at both points were identical, but they were both below the specified operating temperature. This suggested that the thermostat had opened prematurely, allowing coolant to flow too early and preventing the engine from warming up properly. To confirm, I removed the engine coolant thermostat and allowed it to cool to room temperature. After visually inspecting the thermostat, I found that it was stuck in the open position. When the thermostat sticks open, it allows coolant to flow continuously, preventing the engine from reaching the ideal operating temperature. This confirmed that the thermostat was indeed faulty. I replaced the defective thermostat, cleared the codes from the ECU, and performed a road test to verify that the vehicle was operating correctly. After the test, I confirmed that the check engine light remained off and no fault codes returned. The key takeaway here is that a malfunctioning thermostat can prevent the engine from reaching its proper temperature, which can trigger a P0128 error code. By inspecting the thermostat and ensuring it opens and closes as it should, I was able to resolve the issue and restore proper engine operation. Replacing the faulty thermostat is a simple but necessary fix to ensure the engine runs efficiently.